I'm Lou, another episode of My Car Story. I'm here with John Gastman. John,
Hi.
good to see you. He's the owner of Roanoke Motors out in Roanoke, Illinois, and one of his cars today, he is a Viper expert. I'll get behind the camera, as I usually do. I know you're saying you don't know about that, but we do. So John, tell us, come on back with me.
Okay.
And let's look at what we have here. What this is yours.
This is one of 5 made.
One of 5.
Right.
And look at this killer color combo.
Actually, that's made in the factory. One of the last 15 cars built, they made, for me, 5 black with Plum Crazy racing stripes. And they got purple calipers, Plum Crazy calipers.
Let's take a look at those. I'm just zoning in on
This is the ACR version of the vehicle.
And now stay with me. You said ACR.
Yep.
We're zoning in on running in on that
Racer.
American Club Racer.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
I have Ballinger headers on it, an exhaust system, and a controller. So this car, instead of 600 horse, should came out from the factory. We upped it to about 670.
Purple rotors.
Yes, purple calipers.
Purple calipers on the rotors.
Yep.
Got it. And those rotors are kind of special too.
Yeah, they're 3-piece rotors.
3-piece rotors.
Made by Stop Deck. Excellent.
All
rotors.
from the factory.
All from the factory.
All from the factory.
Yep.
Stock Viper. Now tell me why you've got a chrome exhaust here.
Well, that's because I put Ballinger headers on them to give it more better sound.
Okay.
And the Ballingers all come with the circular stainless steel.
And usually they're black.
They're black. That's
usually they're
correct.
black.
Mm-hmm.
So look at the ACR. This is the wing, and I'm going to take a shot of the back of this. But the bottom line is you don't see, it's not out there, a purple striped
One
black.
is in New Hampshire, one is in Kentucky, 2 are in Texas, and I got the 5th one.
There you go. And if you want to know where to go, you could see that license plate there and come to Roanoke Motors. But
And these are all certified by Chrysler. They give, that's locked, but they give me unlocking it. See if I can unlock it, maybe too low.
here, I got that.
You got it?
Yeah, I can see that under there. So see how those are connected there? They move up and down. I get it.
Yeah, I was going to show you inside. That's got the.
Okay.
There was certificate. That's the 5 VIN numbers, and that's signed by me and my partners and Steve Sharples, who was part of the program, and Ralph Giles, the CEO of Dodge Division at the time. And these are the extras I'm going to put on it. And there's just another paper saying the same thing of the extras that I had. And of course, the boot, the floor mats, everything, nothing's been touched.
Nothing's been touched.
Nope. It's got a whole 13 miles on it from the factory. 10.
13 miles. So,
Ralph signed. Look, the steering wheel's done in purple and black.
the steering wheel is purple and black. And I'm not going to sit in it. I'm just going to show you. Pedals down there with the Viper emblem.
Then the center console was signed by Ralph Giles, and that was also done in the Plum Crazy
Ralph,
paint
for those
scheme.
who might not know, is the CEO of SRT now, formerly Dodge. Well, I guess always Dodge, but...
Yep.
And there's some special badging right there.
Everyone's got, I put the VIN number, it says Roanoke Edition, if you look real small. I got that, they made that year they made a Voodoo car, 1 of 33 Laguna Seca car, and they made 30 red or green cars with black stripes.
Does it have
help? I just made mine just.
We got Viper in there.
Yep. There's Viper
in there.
You guys can't see
Okay,
it,
that's all right. And let's open the hood.
Okay, I'll do that for you.
This is a 2010 model. Notice before you open that, notice the dents on the hood. The venting with the 3 vents, it's either an 8, a 9, or a 10. Correct. And this is the last year, which was a 10, before they've come out with 13s. And there is something that you don't see, because Viper, knowledgeable people know that their valve covers are red.
That's correct.
Why are yours purple?
Well, it kind of was the theme of the automobile, so they were kind enough to paint the valve covers Plum Crazy to match the stripes on the car.
So this is it?
This is it, yeah.
Nobody's got these?
Nobody. Well, there's 5.
From the factory?
That's right.
Wow. And that's right, V10, 8.4 liter, 600 plus horsepower Dodge Viper.
The leather work was done by Vanzano out of Detroit.
Oh,
He does all the leather work for it, inside the car, the steering wheel, what have you. And the boot
You get
shifter
both
was made by
sides of
him
this.
also.
I wanna
But
get
there
we go.
it's something. Remember the past for that year. There's 520 cars total built that year, and Deanne Rao got the last car that was produced off the semi line. See the headers? That just gives it
Yeah,
a
I
better
did
look.
see those.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yep.
Beauty of the camera. We can just stick it in. Let's shut that hood.
Okay.
And this is just a crazy / plum crazy color scheme. Just gorgeous. John, thanks for. Why don't you stand next to your car?
Oh, okay. Stickers down the window with all the markings. Never took nothing off. So.
There you go. John, thanks for being on My Car Story.
Hey, my pleasure. Thank you.